this video is to introduce some interesting addition strategy for grade 1 and grade 2 students. We have come up with 5 interesting strategies for the teachers to use in their lesson. Teachers can have an option to use any strategy that suits the students' learning.
I will be introducing the first strategy called decomposition. Decomposition method is also known as break it up. It's a method that needs to break numbers down to place value like tens and ones. Now let's start with the first example is 15 plus 3, which focus on 2 digits and 1 digit number. Here you all see a standard written method that usually we ask students to follow, but I'm going to show you how I break it up with this method by moving it to the horizontal way. Remember, before students attempting this method, they are able to recognize place value units correctly. So first, need to break apart 15 into 10 and 5. From there, add 5 and 3, which are in the place value of ones, together, so it's equal to 8. Then bring down 10 and add it to 8, so the answer is 18. Yeah? Now move on to the second example. The question is 15 plus 37, which involve of an addition of 2 digits number. First, take 15, break into 10 and 5, and 37 into 30 and 7. From there, take the 2 digit numbers, the 10 and the 30, and then the 5 and 7 added together, so we get 40 and 12. As you can see, we still do not have a nice even round numbers. So take that 12 and we are going to break it down one more time to 10 and 2. From there, the math is pretty easy. We are going to take that 40 plus with 10, which brings 50, and the leftover is that 2, so plus 2 with 50, so the answer is 52. Easy, right? Next, I'll be moving on with the second addition strategy that called naughty 9. The number statement 9 plus 5, so the naughty number 9 steals 1 from the 5 and get one number bigger. The 5 gets 1 taken away, so it becomes one smaller number. Therefore, the 9 becomes a 10 and the 5 becomes a 4. Now, use the pattern of adding 10 to single digit number. 10 plus 4, 14. So then 9 plus 5 equals to 14. The third strategy is the double strategy.
1 and 1 are 2, 2 and 2 are 4, 3 and 3 are 6, 4 and 4 are 8, 5 and 5 is 10, 6 and 6 are 12, 7 and 7 are 14, 8 and 8 are 16, 9 and 9 are 18, and 10 are 20.
Another strategy is called as side by side. Notice in the number sentence, the 8 and 9 are right next to each other in counting on the number line. Therefore, the rule for side by side is to take the smaller and double it. Once double the smaller, 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. Simply add one more to the sum to get the answer 17. Therefore, 8 plus 9, the answer is 17. The last strategy that I'm going to introduce is called invisible number. Once again, the double strategy aids you to solve problems with a pattern using the invisible number strategy. How? Okay, the numbers 6 plus 8 are not right to next each other on the number line. Am I right? Yeah. There is a number in between 6 and 8 that we call invisible number, and that is the number 7. The number 7 is in the middle of 6 and 8 on the number line. When we see two numbers that have one number in the center, simply use the double strategy again. Double the invisible number and that will give the sum of for the number sentences that working on.
So now, this is the summary of our video.